Hi everybody and welcome to my craft room. This is Miss Judy. I have another video that I wanted to share very quickly with you on another of the mini albums that are in the new Artbooking cartridge that close to my heart will be having in the catalog starting August the 1st. It's almost August the 1st, so I'm not really doing any special as far as pre-order. You just order them whenever you get it. If you need a catalog, let me know. I'll send you a catalog. I love doing that for my customers. What I've got today for you is the very first mini album that's in the book. They're actually on two different pages, each of the mini albums. So you find a page, you find two different pages with all the cutouts and embellishments and things that you will need to get started in doing this mini album. It's called the Travel Mini Album. It is suggested to cut at 8 inches. Well, what I'm doing is doing a few of the albums in different sizes. So I sized this one down to a 6.6 by 6 for you, and I'm going to show you what's in here. First of all, I want to show you the titles that are on both pages. I want to show you the icons, and I want to show you the borders. So the titles that are on the pages, you have Explore, you have On This Day, you have Hello, and you have Just Be. And the borders, you have a border that says Today and a smaller piece that says Date. And then you have a border that has these arrows and straight marks and circles, and it has a small arrow with a little hole in that. So those are the parts with the titles and the borders. Now you also have icon, which are so a little bit different on this one. On page 2 you have a kind of a wiggly arrow, and you have an airplane. Then on page 1 you have a small little arrow, and you have a small circle with an arrow, which I cannot find. But anyway, these are the things. Now let me show you the pages, because the pages in this album are so versatile, and I think the borders are versatile also. These borders could go on any kind of scrapbooking page, and I really think that on this day that could go for a baby birth or an anniversary that you were doing. There's lots of different things. But here are the pages. On page 1, Photo Mat 1 is just a plain page, and then the shift is a page with a little tab on it. Plain, a little tab. On page 2, the Photo Mat is page with a medium-sized tab and a page with a very large tab. Now, Photo Mat 2s for both of these, page 1 and page 2, are small flaps, I call them, and they can be used in any way in your mini albums. Put in the middle of a page, or in the back of a page, or top of a page, bottom of a page. But here are the ones for page 1. And then page 2, you have two different flaps. This is a decorative scallopy edge. This is more like a shipping tag with little cutouts. The other part I want to show you very quickly, because this is really a nice feature on this one. On the page 2, the overlay is circles, and these I call them, they look like fruit. Circles and fruit. Of course, this is a size 6. Now when we get it into the craft room, you can do any sizing that you might want to do on this. But that's the one on page 2. The one on page 1 is airplanes and clouds and arrows. And what I did on this one was save my arrows, all the things that were on the inside. I saved all that because I can use these on different pages in my album. And there's like 2 sizes in the airplanes, there are 2 sizes in the arrows, there are 2 sizes of clouds. Let me get a large cloud out for you and show you how neat it is when you save those inside pieces. Because here's a larger cloud. So you've got 2 sizes of airplane, 2 sizes of cloud, 2 sizes of arrows to play around with. Actually, no, this didn't. But anyway, you have a lot of versatility if you save the inside of this. Again, I've cut these at 6 inches. I'll scoot this out of the way. I've cut the pages at 6 inches. You can see how the overlays can fit into the page. Okay, kind of from edge to edge almost. Or if you want to incorporate it with your marks for the circles, you can do that. Flaps that fit the top of a page, middle of a page if you add another hole in the top, or even somewhere else on the page. So this is a very, very quick view of the mini travel album cut down to a 6x6 size. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all my customers, and if you're interested in a catalog, just let me know. I'll send you a catalog. I'd love to do that for you. I love all my customers and working with all of you, and I love talking to myself just as much as I love talking to you guys. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Ta-ta.